Okay, here in this question it is asking how far is the starting point from where she stood. So it means you have to find the distance in terms of seconds only, because the given information is in seconds. So here you have to find the distance. So while drawing the figure of this diagram, we will write these values, these time as well. Okay, so before we start with this question, let's draw this small diagram here. It says north, south, east, west, and this is northeast, this is southwest, it is southeast, and this is northwest. Okay, let's start with this question. Okay, note one more point here is, since in this question you will be writing this time, this number, so while making the figure, make it proportionally, right? So it will give you a better visualization. It says Radha moves southeast. Southeast means in this direction it is moving, so it moves southeast, this southeast at a distance of 7 seconds, right? She moved towards west, then west is here, so she turns here and travels for 14 seconds. Then from here she moved towards northwest. Northwest is this direction, so make it like this. She moves here, northwest, at a distance of 7 seconds. So this much distance she travels in 7 seconds. Then she moves a distance of 4 seconds, means here towards east. This is east, so she moves such a distance, this much distance in 4 seconds, and stood at that point. How far is the starting point? This was our starting point and this is her final point, and you have to find this distance in terms of seconds only, because the given information is in seconds. See, so do you see how this diagram helps us in making this figure? Secondly, we made this figure the proportional one. The 7 second, obviously we know in 7 seconds she will travel less distance comparatively to 14 seconds. So this diagram itself help us to analyze this distance. This diagram is a parallelogram, and we know that opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal, and this much distance she has traveled in 4 seconds, so the remaining distance will definitely she travels in 10 seconds. So 10 seconds, that is option number 3 is the answer to this question.